Welcome back. You have learned what machine learning is, how it works, and even how it fits inside the bigger world, AI and deep learning. But today we are going to step outside the classroom and see how these ideas transform our daily lives. Because ML isn't just math and code, it's the reason your phone unlocks with your face, your playlist feels psychic, and your doctors can catch disease earlier. So grab your notebook. Today is about seeing ML everywhere. Let's start with one of the most impactful area, healthcare. Machine learning helps the doctors, hospitals, and researchers make faster, safer decisions. Imagine a radiologist examining hundreds of x-rays each day. Fatigue, lighting, and human limits make it easy to miss subtle patterns. Now picture an ML model trained on thousands of labeled scans, normal versus cancerous. It highlights the tiny anomalies the eye might skip, giving the doctor a second opinion. That's supervised learning, saving lives. Other uses in healthcare are predicting patients' readmission risk, personalized medicine, drug discovery using pattern mining, medical chatbot for first line advice. Notice how most of these are supervised or semi supervised problems, data plus expert labels. Pause for 30 seconds and think, if you could train a model to solve one healthcare challenge in your community, what would it be? Let's talk about the place where almost all of us have met ML, online shopping. You browse a pair of shoes, and suddenly your homepage fills with socks, belts, and similar styles. The site's recommendation system compares your behavior to others and predict what you might like next. Under the hood, it's collaborative filtering, finding users like you, and content based filtering, finding items like the one you viewed. Airlines and hotels constantly change the price based on the demand and time and competition. ML models learn when the prices rise or drop and set the rate to balance the profit and occupancy. Unsupervised clustering divides customer into groups: bargain hunters, loyal buyers, weekend shoppers, marketers, and then tailor the ad for each group. Open your favorite e commerce site. Observe what's being personalized for you: the banner, the recommendation, the price drops. Machine learning also drives, quite literally, the future of transportation. Apps like Google Maps collect millions of location signals every minute. ML models predict the traffic congestion and recommends faster route in real time. Airlines and car fleets use ML to monitor sensor data. If a pattern matches the previous failure, the system schedules maintenance before breakdown. Cameras feed visual data into deep learning models that identify lane, pedestrians, and signs. Reinforcement learning then helps the car make decisions: when to brake, accelerate, or turn. It's one of the most complex yet fascinating ML ecosystem. Think about your daily commute. Where do you think ML helps? Maybe predicting bus arrivals or fuel efficiency? Now to a space we all know too well, our screens. Every scroll, like, and share trains dozens of models in the background. TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram analyzes what you watch, how long you pause, and what you skip. The result? A personalized feed fine tuned by supervised and reinforcement learning. Upload a photo with a friend. The app instantly suggests the name. That's deep learning with convolution neural network identifying faces. Brand uses ML to read public opinions, scanning every tweet or reviews to gauge whether people feel happy, angry, or disappointed. Sometimes the system raise privacy and ethic questions too, reminding us that ML is powerful, but it must be used responsibly. Some other cool places where ML pop ups are agriculture, climate, education, art, security. Once you recognize the pattern, data in, prediction out, you will start spotting ML everywhere. Every technology comes with challenges. In ML, some of the biggest are data quality, bias and fairness, privacy, and explainability. We'll explore ethics later in the course, but it's good to plant the seeds early. Being an ML engineer also means being a responsible one. Let's take a step back. Machine learning is no longer such research. It's inevitable engine behind the apps, services and devices we rely on daily. Whether it's protecting your account, recommending your next show, or diagnosing disease, ML touches nearly every field. That's all for day 4. And now you can truly say you see machine learning in action. Tomorrow in day 5, we'll set up the working environment so you can get hands on.